Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and I thought we would talk about what I think is very important, and that is the silver market has broken into new high ground. I mentioned in the newsletter this week that silver had been up here for almost a month, and it hadn't even made a 382 retracement. That is extremely bullish, and that's why I was talking about that. And then, of course, today the silver has broken out big time. We'll get up here and show you here where we are, hopefully, if I can find the chart again. I just had it up here just a second ago, and let's hope that I still have it. Here we are. There we go. Just bear with me here 1 second, boys and girls. Okay, now you can see here we went $1 a barrel, $1 an ounce higher, folks, as soon as we broke out above this. There was a 78% level. It was caused, of course, by the news of the Ukraine's, what do you call those drones, I guess. It hit Russian really bad, and everybody was thinking the war was over or whatever it was going to be, but that's what happened. The gold was acting extremely bullish. If you'll remember here, as we were looking here on the gold market, this was the overnight move. You can see there's where we were last week. You can see all we could do is make a 382 retracement here on Friday, and then, of course, this morning when the news came out, you can see the market gapped up here on Sunday night, and it's just continued to go higher and higher. We're setting it at 3406, folks. The high has been 3404. 3406 is actually a one standard deviation move off the weekly chart, so that should hold it for a little bit. But looking at this on the daily chart, there is nothing bearish about this gold, folks. We had this ABCD pattern here, remember, just absolutely perfect down here. We dropped $300 an ounce from the high, okay, and look at this. Actually, we did a little more than that, about $385 down from the high, and now we've broken out to the upside after this real tight consolidation, and there it was just a couple days ago on Thursday. There's where it was. There was Friday, and then you can see today we are breaking out to the upside, so there's absolutely nothing bearish about gold. And when you take a look at what's happening to the U.S. dollar, you have to say, wow, this is not much of a surprise, because the U.S. dollar is headed to ghost town, it looks like. We'll cover that when we get back. 877-927-6648.